Hi everyone, my name is Emily Jones and I'm with the Youth Services Department of the Fayetteville Public Library. And this is Baby Bookworms, a story time specifically for birth to 18 months. It's part of our summer 2020 reading lineup. Summer reading signups are now open for all ages using Read Squared, and we'd love for you to read with us this summer. Be sure to visit faylib.org/calendar to see the entire list of our summer programs, or like us on Facebook for new content every day. Got my bear friend here with us. I have a cute rhyming book about counting and farm animals, but we'll start the way we always do with our hello song. All right, are we ready? Okay, we sing hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Good job. Let's do that one more time. We sing all our songs twice in Baby Bookworms. We know babies learn best through repetition. Okay. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Good job, babies. All right, our next song is We Love Babies. We love babies, we love babies, yes we do, yes we do. Babies are for hugging, babies are for kissing. We love you, yes we do. One more time. We love babies, yes we do, yes we do. Babies are for hugging, babies are for kissing. We love you, yes we do. Good job. All right, the next one is Here We Go Up. Here we go up, up, up. Here we go down, down, down. Here we go forwards. Here we go backwards. Here we go round and round. Awesome. One more time. Here we go up, up, up. Here we go down, down, down. Here we go forwards. Here we go backwards. Here we go round and round. Good job. Okay, the next one is the Baby Hokey Pokey. You put your arms up, you put your arms down, you put your arms up, and you wave them all around. Then you tickle, 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 and you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's how Baby Hokey Pokey goes. Get your legs ready. Put your legs up, you put your legs down, you put your legs up, and you wave them all around. Then you tickle, 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 and you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's how Baby Hokey Pokey goes. You put your whole baby up, you put your whole baby down, you put your whole baby up, and you wave them all around. Then you tickle, 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 and you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's how Baby Hokey Pokey goes. And that's the end of the Hokey Pokey. Okay, next let's do Roly Poly. Get your hands ready. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, in, in. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, in, in. Good job. Okay, the next one is one of our favorites called Little Red Wagon, and it's a bouncing song. Okay, baby starts on your lap or your knees. Bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? The front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging. The front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging. The front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging. Won't you be my darling? Let's do it a little faster. Bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, won't you be my darling? The front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging, the front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging, the front seat's broken and the back wheel's dragging, won't you be my darling? Whew, we did it. All right, the next one is hot potato. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. Hot potato, I dropped him on the floor. Scoop him back up. One more time. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. Hot potato, I dropped him on the floor. Okay. Last is making popcorn, one of our favorites. First we pour in the oil. Then we put in the kernels. Ping, ping, ping. Turn on the heat. I'm a piece of popcorn sitting in a pan. Bounce me as fast as you can. Get ready, pop. We turn the heat up a little more. Put in a few more kernels. Ping, ping, ping. A little faster this time. I'm a piece of popcorn sitting in a pan. Bounce me as fast as you can. Get ready, pop. Now turn that heat all the way up. Add a few more kernels. Here we go. Fast as you can. I'm a piece of popcorn sitting in a pan. Bounce me as fast as you can. Get ready, pop. Good job, friends. All right, I'm going to set our bear friend to the side. It's time for our book. It's called 1, 2, Moo. One leaping horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. One leaping horse on a hot sunny day. One leaping horse soaring up so high. One leaping horse thinks he could fly. 2 spotted cows, moo, moo, moo. 2 spotted cows, choo, choo, choo. 2 spotted cows, black and white. 2 spotted cows, what a happy sight. 3 chirpy chicks, cheep, cheep, cheep. 3 chirpy chicks with 3 orange beaks. 3 chirpy chicks, happy as can be. 3 chirpy chicks, 1, 2, 3. 4 little pigs in a muddy pool. 4 little pigs trying to stay cool. 4 little pigs, watch them roll and wriggle. 4 little pigs, can you hear them giggle? 5 little sheep, ba, ba, ba. 5 little sheep singing tra-la-la. 5 little sheep with 5 smiley faces. 5 little sheep having jumping races. Now you've met the animals. Neigh, cheep, oink, ba, moo. Can you count them all again and make their noises too? And that's the end of 1, 2, moo. That was a fun one. Thanks for singing with me. Thanks for reading with me. We hope that you'll choose to read along with us this summer. Again, check out our Facebook page or our calendar at faylib.org/calendar for more events in our summer reading program.